Alrighty peoples, just shielding the camera right now because it's raining. I'm outside the cardboard house in the middle of the night, but I'll take you inside and you can hear how noisy it is when it's raining in the cardboard house. Oh shit! Got wet, the flipping gutter drenched me. Ugh! It is quite noisy. There's the lights on in here. What do we got? There we go. Alright. Turn my lantern off. And I'll get the lantern on again. You see the water coming off the guttering here. There we go. There's my edge of my door. But that's the guttering there slightly higher up, just a little bit higher. But it's working as it should. And there's your beam there, that's your steel one that has got the loop hooked onto. And if you notice, all the grass is starting to grow pretty well there. And it's also actually digging a slight hole from the water drips all hitting the same spot. Quite interesting, it sort of sounds a bit like a tin roof, but not quite. It's sort of rather noisy enough, but sort of not as sharp as a tin roof. I still think this is the bizarrest blooming building. Oh yeah, you get a good idea how good the lights are in here too. So the lantern's down here, that's off. Now we're just running completely out LED lights, but it sort of bounces off the back wall because I've got one there. And I've got the other one coming out the front here, but it's reasonably well lit at night. Ain't too bad, considering how the cameras are sometimes under light levels, but making a few little additions too. Cement sheet there so I can use the stove for the filming that I'm currently doing for it. Anyway, I should finally give you footage of what it sounds like when you're inside it and it's actually raining, because I've been busting to do that, but I'm starting to slow down now anyway.